Hello, this is Sony VPCF1 laptop. The problem is that there is backlight at first, but it fades away after a couple of seconds, and there is a weak image on the LCD. I'll show the problem to you, then troubleshoot it. The device turns on. Yes. So backlight fades away and you can see a very weak light on the background. In here, if the camera can capture it. Yes. I'm pressing on other options. And as you see, there is a weak backlight. So let's see which part of this laptop is problematic. I opened the bottom cover and first programmed BIOS and EC. I thought the problem might be because of BIOS. It didn't get solved even by programming BIOS and EC. The next step is going to be working on the LCD. And this is an old device. As you might know, high voltage was used in older devices, and it provides backlight voltage. Now I need to check to see whether high voltage is problematic or LCD. I can detect the problem using an LCD I use for testing. The size of the LCD doesn't matter. I connect it to high voltage. This is 15.4 inch, but I assume this one is 16.4. I should open its bottom cover because its part number shows the LCD size. I'll turn on the device now and see if the problem originates from high voltage or device's backlight. I removed laptop's backup battery so that it would switches on automatically. Yes, it turned on. There is backlight. If the backlight stays fixed and stable, it would mean that the LCD's backlight is the problem. If I had this model's broken LCD, I'll change its backlight. Otherwise, I'll need to change the LCD itself. So as there is backlight in here, it means that the LCD backlight is the problem. I opened the LCD. You can see the backlight and its sheets. I'm going to remove this part from a broken LCD and replace it with these sheets. And the working parts are T-con board and the front panel. That can be removed like this. I need to place this panel on a broken LCD backlight and use it. I remove the sheets from backlight and put them away. As you see, the fluorescent LED lights in these corners have turned black. In this part. Also in this part. Sometimes these wires in these corners get shorted, or the tin gets removed. You can solder these corners, and then fluorescent light gets repaired. But the problem in this laptop is the LED lights, and they can't be repaired by soldering. So I'll change the LED lights and the sheets. I can get them from a scrap broken LCD and repair the LCD. I had a broken 16.4 LED. As you see, I opened it as well and removed front panel and T-con board which were connected to each other, and replaced the laptop's panel. Let me show you its own panel. This was its panel which was broken in this corner. I removed the panel and replaced it with a scrap mine. It has some differences that I'll show them to you. There are two wires on backlight block. I'll connect one of them and don't use the other wire. So let me turn on the laptop and put the screen bezel front cover if it doesn't have any problem. And assemble it with tape. And hand it to the customer. I'll plug the laptop into power and see if the image problem is solved or not. Yes, there is backlight. And as you see, Windows is booting up. Let me fix the camera. Put the device to the test for 1 hour, after changing its LCD, so that the replaced LCD's fluorescent lights work properly. And they don't have any problems, but if they do, monitor will protect it from short circuit. So this is it. Hope it would be of use for you. You can easily repair panels of LCDs that don't have backlights by removing their LCDs and T-con boards and changing broken LCD backlights. Then you can easily fix their problems. Thanks for watching. Smiley face.